Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to discuss the question from GATE 2009 and this question is from ring theory. So let's start with the question. So question is, which of following ideal in Gaussian ring of integers is not maximal ideal? So first option is the ideal generated by 1 plus iota. Second option is the ideal generated by 1 minus iota. And third option is the ideal generated by 2 plus iota. And the D option is the ideal generated by 3 plus iota. So we have to identify which of following is not a maximal ideal. So in our lecture of associates irreducible element, we have already discussed one of the property. If a plus iota b belonging or u is equal to a plus iota b belonging to z of I with b is non-zero, then u is irreducible element in Zi if and only if the number p, which is a square plus b square, is prime and either p is equal to 2 or p is congruent to 1 mod of 4. And also we have discussed that in principal ideal domain or Euclidean domain, the ideal generated by irreducible element is a maximal ideal, or a non-zero maximal ideal is a generated by irreducible element. Converse of this also true, provided ideal is non-zero. So based on these two statements, we can easily solve this question. So first case, p is equal to 2, a square plus b square. So definitely this element is irreducible element in Zi, and the ideal generated by irreducible element must be a maximal ideal. We have to find the ideal which is not maximal. In a second case, so this is for first option. For second option, again p is equal to 2 since a square plus b square is 2. In third option, p is equal to 5, which is congruent to 1 mod 4. So it is a prime number and congruent to 1 modulo 4. Hence ideal generated by 2 plus iota is also maximal ideal. In D option, p is equal to 10, which is not a prime number. So the ideal 3 plus iota is a reducible element over Zi. So implies ideal generated by this reducible element is not maximal ideal. So based on these two concepts, we can easily verify your D option is true option. Or we can solve in another way also. If we have a plus iota b belongs to Zi, another statement we have already discussed that, such that GCD of a and b is equal to 1, then the quotient ring Zi upon ideal generated by a plus iota b isomorphic to Z of a square plus b square. So this is a standard property of a ring of Gaussian integer. So based on this property, if option first is Zi upon ideal generated by 1 plus iota is isomorphic to Z2 and Z2 is field, so this ideal must be a maximal ideal because R by I is field if and only if I is maximal ideal provided R is CR. Next one is second option. In second option again Zi by ideal generated by 1 minus I is isomorphic to Z2, so this one is also maximal ideal. In third option this is isomorphic to Z5, so this one is also maximal. And in D option this is isomorphic to Zi by ideal generated by 3 plus iota isomorphic to Z10, or this Z10 is neither integral domain nor uh, nor field. Hence, the ideal generated by 3 plus iota is neither prime ideal nor maximal ideal. Hence, your answer must be D answer. You can use this approach, or you can use the concept of irreducible element in a PID.